Alright guys, so as you know, the Samsung Z Fold series devices are really expensive, but that doesn't really mean that your Samsung doesn't really have any problem whatsoever. Well, a lot of people right now are claiming that their Wi-Fi is not really working on, and they're also saying it is acting up in a few different ways. Some people say their Wi-Fi keep getting disconnected, and also some people say their Wi-Fi is not working at all, okay? So if you're facing any of this issue guys, don't worry, sit back, relax, and keep on watching this video to fix your problem. Now, before I tell you the main troubleshooting process guys, I want to tell you quick things you have to keep in mind. First of all, make sure you're not out of the range of your router, because if you're too far away from your router, your phone can give you some trouble in terms of connecting with your Wi-Fi. Second of all, make sure to disconnect from your VPN to make things work. Okay, now after taking this out, now let's go ahead and do the main troubleshooting process to fix your Wi-Fi is not working on your Samsung device. Now first of all, the first things you need to do, just simply go ahead and swipe down from the top and turn on your airplane mode and wait around 10 to 20 seconds. Right afterward, go ahead and simply turn off, and afterward go ahead and check whether your problem is solved by now or not. If not, the next things you have to do is useful as well. Just simply open up your setting and then tap your connection and then simply tap your Wi-Fi and go ahead and tap on the setting option to your connected Wi-Fi network and then tap forget, and then go ahead and just give it a forced restart on your device to fix your problem. Now just go ahead and press that volume down button and the power button together and keep it holding unless you see the Samsung logo appears on your device. Well, as soon as you see this logo comes on, go ahead and leave this button and wait. Alright guys, now after just giving a forced restart on your Samsung Z Fold series device, you have to simply connect with your Wi-Fi one more time to check whether it is working fast or not. If not, the next things you have to do, you need to change your DNS server. Now to change this, the first things you need to do, just simply open up your settings, tap connection, then tap your Wi-Fi, and go ahead and tap on the setting option to your connected Wi-Fi network. You scroll down here and tap advanced, and you scroll down here and just tap IP setting and make it to static. Afterward here you have to change your DNS1 and DNS2. Okay, now on your DNS first, the first one, all you have to check or do, just go ahead and type 8.8.8.8, and down here on your DNS2 just simply add 8.8.4.4. and then simply go ahead and tap save. Well, this process is only eligible for spreading up your Wi-Fi speed, okay? Now right afterward, go ahead and check whether your internet is working well or not. Now, if nothing works, nothing really help you out to fix your problem, last things you have to do guys, just go ahead and open up your settings and scroll down here and tap your general management. Scroll down here, tap reset, and choose your reset network settings. Go ahead and tap on there, tap reset settings, tap reset, and right afterward go ahead and connect your device to the Wi-Fi network again to check whether it is working or not. Now here's a bonus tip that we want to give you guys, which is with your router itself. On your router, you have to give a reset to fix your problem as well. So after doing all of the process guys, by far we can tell you your problem will be solved and you'll be able to use your Wi-Fi correctly completely without even facing problem. So these are the things you guys can do. Hope this video is useful. If you think so, just let us know in the comment section and be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video guys, and we will get back to you all later.